Hello again. Welcome to reason 15 for polishing your shoes. A cow is a marvellous creature. Absolutely wonderful. I don't know where we'd be without cattle. I'm no vegetarian, I'm afraid. And although I have sympathy with those who are, I just can't do it. I'm too old, I've been eating meat for too long. But quite apart from the meat, the dairy produce, cheese, milk, cream, yogurt, so many things. When they die, you burn their bones, and you add the bones to kaolinite and feldspar to make fine bone china, so your cups don't drop to pieces when you have a cup of tea. We use their hides, the leather, to make our shoes. This shoe was once part of a living creature, and although not all people treat all living creatures as they should, I feel that it is a way of honouring the life that once was. This leather was once a living, breathing creature. It's not there now, but by polishing the leather, I am honouring the life of the creature that gave its life to make my shoes. Now, I'm not proud of myself that we do that we live like that, but we do live like that. I'm not about to change it. I like wearing leather. I like polishing leather. I like cattle and everything that they give us. But there you go, that's my reason 15 for polishing your shoes, to honour the life of the creature that gave us the leather that makes the shoes. Thanks for joining me. See you tomorrow for reason 16.